All right, so I'm going to attempt to show you how to work around sending an email to unopens because we can't at this point of this recording send or select the people who have not opened the email. So I'm in a test account here. There's not very much action here as you can see, but what usually there's one campaign I have here that has a couple of sends here. So let's assume that this is kind of the one that you're using, like a campaign. And normally what you would want to do is go here, select the stats, and then it would show you, let's say that I wanted to find out who opened, this last email here. You would select the stats and select, opened. Hopefully they put an unopened here, but select the open people, and it will give you a list of people down here, right, of all the people that have opened. And what you can do, or what I was hoping to do, is select these people and either tag them or something like that. But because we can't do that, well, there's a workaround that might work for you. And what you do is go into your people, and what you're going to do is, first of all, make a segment of the product that you are sending to, right? So the people who they own that product or whatever it is, make a segment of those people, or the offer, I should say, whatever it is that you want to segment. So it would be filters, and then people who have the offer. There's some stuff off of screen here, but it's probably one of these two. I don't know which one you're using, but it would be either own the product or has an offer, and make a segment. So let's assume that I've made a segment. I'll click on this one here. It gives me my people down here. It filters them out, as you can see up here. Then the next step that you want to do is create a filter on top of this filter. And you select that filter and say, okay, give me all of the people in this segment who has not opened an email in the last 7 days. It only gives us the ability to do that in the last 7 days. Then we apply that. Right, and then it gives us another segment, and then we can simply save that new segment. Okay, I'm going to call that let's say email resend. Let's call it that. So I've saved the segment now. So we go to the marketing tab. We go to the email campaign that we want to send. And here's the test broadcast I was doing before recording, so I'll do it again. So we would select new email campaign. It would be an email broadcast or an email sequence, whatever you're doing. I'm thinking that we're doing an email broadcast because we're copying the one email that we want to resend, and we send that, or we select that and we say broadcast or whatever you want to call that, rebroadcast, whatever. Select whichever editor you want to use. That doesn't really matter at this point. And then what you want to do is say who's going to receive it, and you say, well, give me the email resend. And that's it. And that should send it won't send from this point, but it's going to, give me all these people, and then you save and continue, and boom, it will give you everybody that you want to send to again. Hopefully that helps you. If you have any questions, please let me know.